all, let me welcome you all this evening to the first in a series of meetings put on by Area Council 1. And the theme is The Truth Matters. And why we have chosen that theme is to mash down the lies, the mischief, and the misinformation that is being spread by those who have lost their ways. They have no vision. They don't know where they're going. So instead of being honest, they use everything and turn it. And then they are supported by elements in the society. An incident took place in my constituency on Tuesday. And Radio Jamaica and TVJ carried a news item saying that I, Desmond Mackenzie, led a group of over 200 people march onto the Darling Street police station to intimidate the police. And in the process of doing that, I was pepper sprayed. We made contact with Radio Jamaica. We spoke to the news editor. We said to him that the report that you carried is misleading. It is false. They said they will listen to it and get back to us. They didn't. We made contact with them, and they read a news item. The news item that they read to us was not the item that they carried in their 5 o'clock news or what they carried in their midday news on Tuesday on TVJ. We got a copy of the newscast. And the newscast said that I led 200 people down on the police station on Darling Street. Alive from the pit of hell. We said to them, you need to retract. They have not done so, so I put out a release this morning contradicting what they said. And they promised to retract. I listened to the 12 o'clock news. No retraction. I listened to the 5 o'clock news. No retraction. I want Jamaicans to understand that the Jamaica Labour Party support freedom of the press. We believe in a free democracy. The same way media is calling on us as politicians to be transparent and open and to be honest and true. What about you? Isn't there a standard for honesty and decency that should be displayed by media in this country? You go around and you malign people and you tell lie on people because you want to get ratings and to sell newspaper. I am not going to accept what the RGR Gleaner Communication Group has done. I'm not going to accept it. Somebody must stand up to these people. We cannot continue as a country. They did the same thing with the third party, with the third country situation. They carried damaging stories, put a woman's life and her property in danger. This woman's property, her investment. And I had to stand up at a function and call them out. And then they went and they apologized after the damage was done. Labor rights and Jamaicans, we are going through difficult times in Jamaica. And you have people whose only ambition is to discredit the government, to tell lie on the government. Everything we say, they take it and they twist it. We're going to be pushing back at liars. We're going to be mashing down the lies. The truth is what matters, labor rights. We have been a true, honest, and open government. We have handled the affairs of Jamaica in a way that they, when they were there before, they can't point to any major accomplishment. But labor rights, it is not an easy road. And so we have to provide the information, not just to party supporters, but to the country in general as to what we have been doing since 2016 as a government. And so we have brought together leaders of the party in culture and sports, justice, in the business sector, to talk to labor rights, to talk to Jamaicans, to bring the facts so that people understand that we are an open government. We accept criticisms, and when we are wrong, we say we're wrong. This government is not above criticism. And we're not going to tell the country that everything is okay. There are difficult times, and we have to take tough decisions. Not all the decisions we have taken as a government, people are happy. But we have taken those decisions in the interest of the Jamaican people. And so tonight, I'm going to invite formally to welcome you to his constituency. He was elected recently as the new chairman of Area Council 1. councillor for Northwest St. Andrew. MP for Northwest. Following in the footsteps of his father, who was chairman of Area Council and then went on to become deputy leader of Area Council and then member of parliament. So let us welcome